morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Children, once again, you all welcome back. Okay, children, and this is my second video of this week. In this video, children, today you all are going to read the new chapter. Yes, in this video, you all are going to start the new chapter, chapter 41. And children, in this chapter, today, you all are going to get the information by the help of asking questions, and the pattern of question is here. Take the correct answers. Yes, children, which is the correct option you all have to take, by which you all will get the different types of information. So let's start. Like first question is here. The Taj Mahal is at Agra or Delhi? Do you know, children, where is situated Taj Mahal? Yes, Taj Mahal is situated at, or you can say Taj Mahal is at Agra. So A number is correct option. Taj Mahal is at Agra, and children, it is the seventh wonder of the world, and it is made of white marble. As you can see in this picture, it is made of white marble, and it was built by the Shah Jahan. Okay, and this picture is, yes, this is the picture of India Gate, and this is a picture of Lotus Temple, and this both are in what? In Delhi. So if here is asking only, the Taj Mahal is at what? Agra. Understood, children? So don't forget, and it was built by Taj Mahal was built by the Shah Jahan. Now let's see the next question. Next question is here. The place where fish are kept. Yes, word aquarium or zoo. Aquarium spelling AQUARIUM. Yes, children. Aquarium is the what? Place where fish are kept. Understood? And also, children, aquarium is the first correct option. Okay. And aquarium also teach kids about the natures, and caring for one help them learn responsibility. Understood, children? So which is the correct option? Aquarium. Why? Because aquarium is a place where you all just keep fish at home. Understood, children? Now about the zoo, children. Zoo, as you all know, children, what the other name of zoo? You can also say zoological garden or park. It is a place. Zoo is also a place. Yes, zoo. It is a place where all types of animals. Yes, you all will see there all types of animals display for the public to see. Okay, so this is the also place, but here you all will say different types of animals, wild animals. Okay, some also you will say pet animals, birds, so many animals you all will see in this place. Okay, and why? Because for public to see. And but here is asking the place where fish are kept, it will call aquarium. This is the picture of aquarium. Understood, children? Now come to the next one is here. Tomato is a fruit. Yes, tomato is a fruit, but used as a vegetable. Yes, tomato is a fruit but used as a vegetable. Spelling of vegetable, VEGETABLE, vegetable. And vegetables are what? Important source of many nutrients. Okay, children? And what you all in the uses of tomato, in many ways you can use it. Means you all use as a salad. Sometimes you will, or you can also use in vegetables also. Okay, so and also it it is used in jam also, for making jam. So this is the picture of tomato, and it is used as a vegetable. Now next one is here. Which is an aeroplane? A jet or a vet? Which is the correct option, children? What will you say? A jet. Why? Because vet, it means veterinary doctor. Yes, veterinary doctor, And the animals of the doctor of animals are called veterinary doctors. Okay, in short we say vet, VET, vet. Okay, but about the jet, children, jet or a jet aircraft, yes, so which is the correct option? A number. A jet is an aircraft propelled by the what? Jet engine. Okay, everyone. Now, so which is the correct? Option number A is correct. Now, next one is here. What do you need to fly a kite? Wind or rain? Do you know, children? You all like to fly kite, okay? And how do you fly kite? With the help of wind, okay? So wind is the correct option. And also you all know, children, a kite is made of paper. They fly high in the air at the end of long string, okay? So it is what do you need to fly a kite? Yes, by the help of wind it fly in the sky. Understood, children? Now after that, next one is here. Come to the next. Yes, what came first? Okay, the abacus or the calculator? Children, do you know what came first? Yes, the abacus, and spelling ABACUS, abacus. And about abacus, children, it consists of a wooden frame. It consists of a wooden frame, okay, rods and beads. Each rod represent a different place. Few years ago, children what people used as a calculator for calculating. But nowadays, children, what do they use? They use calculator. Okay, so this is the picture of calculator, but here is asking what came first. So you all will say the abacus. Okay, now next one is here. Come to the next. The gateway of India is in Delhi or Mumbai? What will you say, children? The gateway of India is the famous monument of Mumbai. So what? Yes, Mumbai is the correct option. It is, and also it was built by the government of India and it is situated in Mumbai. Okay. Now, so come to the next. The snake doesn't have a visible tongues or ears. As you can see, children, what? It doesn't have visible ears. Okay? It doesn't have visible ears. So what will you say? The snake does not have visible ears. Understood? Tongues not. You can see the tongues, but you are not. What about the snake, children? What? Snake has a forked tongues, which they what flick in different direction to smell their surrounding. Okay, children. So here is asking the snake doesn't have a visible ears, not tongue. So ears is a correct. Now come to the next. Which grows under the ground? Yes, children, which part of the plant it grows under the ground? Do you know? As we can see, yes, here is root. Root is the plant which grow under the ground. So what will you say? The root. Root is the part of the plant. And about the root, children, roots are what? Roots are lifeline of plant. Okay, taking up air, water and nutrients from soil, and also what moving them up to the up into the leaves. So children, which grows under the ground? What you will say? Root. And about the stem, children, it is the primary function of stem are the support the leaves. It is the support the leaves to conduct water and minerals. Okay, so children, here is asking which part of the plant it grows under the ground. What you will say? Root. Okay, now come to the next. Which one is flower? A lion or a... Children, here is the spelling of dandelion. You just cut. Spelling of dandelion is here DANDELION, lion, dandelion. Okay children, so here is asking which one is flower, a lion or a dandelion. So what you will say children, which is the flower? This picture is will call dandelion. Yes children, and do you know about this? Yes children, its seeds are, okay, its seeds are what, like a little parachute that flies away with the wind. What? Dandelion flower seeds are like a little parachute that flies away with the winds. So which is the correct option children? Dandelion. Why? Because lion is a wild animal. Okay, it is a wild animals. It what? It eats flesh of others animals. But here is asking which one is a flower. So you all have to speak dandelion. This is the picture of dandelion. Now come to the next. Next one is here. Children, only till there. After that children, you all are going one more work. Okay, you all are going to do the one more work like on the pet pattern of who am I. You all have to guess. Okay, what here it will be asked the here it will be asking the question. You all have to guess what about this about these pictures. So let's see one by one. Let's start the read. Like first, I am the largest animal, okay, on earth, or you can say on land. Yes, it is the largest animals. I am, it is what I am the largest animal on land or earth, and my nose is called the trunk. Of which animal children its nose is called the trunk? Do you know? And it is also the what largest animal on land. What will you say? Elephant. 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 Okay, you all. Elephant is the largest land animals. Now, I am park equipment objects. Children sit and swing up and down on me. So which type of equipment is this children? On this children can sit and swing up. Yes, I am talking about the seesaw. Seesaw is a park equipment and children can sit on this and then they can swing up and down. They can swing up and down. So what will you write here? Seesaw, SEESAW, saw. Now next one is here. I am made of white marble and I am situated in Agra. What do you know about this? Yes, I am talking about here the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is made of white marble and it is in Agra. And children, also it was built by the Shah Jahan. Okay, so here is asking the third number. What will you write here? You all have to write here the Taj Mahal, TAJ, Taj, MAHAL, Mahal. And also I have said na children, it is the seventh wonder of the world. So children, what you all will write here? Taj Mahal. Now come to the next. I am eggplant. Do you know which vegetable it is also called eggplant? Yes, the brinjal. But here is asking, I am eggplant and I have crown on my head. Yes, here is brinjal. Brinjal is speaking. I am, and also it is in purple in color. So I am eggplant. It means brinjal is also called the eggplant. Other name of brinjal is eggplant, and you can see it look like a crown on its head. So I am eggplant and I have a crown on my head. So you all will say brinjal. BRINJAL, brinjal. Okay, you all. Now come to the next. After that, I am big ball of fire and I am so far from you. Yes, children. And it gives us light. Okay, children. So what will you write? Sun. Sun is a big ball of fire and it is very far from us. Okay, so what will you write? Sun. Now next, I am sharp pointed object. It is sharp pointed object and people used me to cut fruits and vegetable. And also children, you also see to your mothers. So okay, she used knife to cut the vegetables and fruits in the kitchen. So here is also a telling I am pointed, sharp pointed object and used in to cut fruits and vegetables. So what will you say? Knife. 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 Now next, I am used to dig the ground. I am used to dig the ground. It means spade. Spade. Spade is used to dig the ground. Now next one is here. I am the tools of carpenters and they use me to cut wood. Yes children, so what will you say? Handsaw. Handsaw is the tools of carpenters and they use to cut wood. Hand. Hand. SAW. Saw. Handsaw is the tools, okay, which are used by the carpenters and okay, they use to cut the woods. Okay children, now come to the next. I am the religious symbol of Hindu. Yes, Om. AUM. Om is the religious symbol of Hindu. And children, also you all know Hindu go to temple to worship. Okay children, and their holy book name is what? The Bhagavad Gita. The Bhagavad Gita. Now next, I am plant eating animal. And what means I am eating plants and I am known as the sheep of the desert. Yes, camel. CAMEL. Camel is eating plant eating animals and known as the sheep of the desert. Okay, now. So children, till there only. So with hope children, you all have understood very nicely whatever I have explained in this video. So once again you all, at last I would like to say you thank you for watching this video till end. So have a good day and bye bye.